This video I show to do the resource load the schedule in Primavera with the same lab problem here. Problem 1, of course, you can go ahead to practice the other problem after problem 2, after we go over the lab, and of course you may watch the video here. So here we use Primavera. If you looking for the Microsoft project, look for the other video that I already recorded. So did the same problem and do it in Primavera. So you can open Primavera. If you see any other project that not fit to yours, so something when you open Primavera, just go ahead on the top right, the red cross there, just close, and it will be have nothing blank in Primavera. There on the right side, if you go to file, you can add a new Control N, new project, or you can have that folder here with the plus sign. You can new project. Then initiative, you can select engineering and construction. Add that one, select next, new project. This one I can say CPC, project construction planning and control. Okay, and lab 6 for sample, that is lab number 6. New project name, okay, just like CPC. And then we can say lab 6, problem 2, or problem 1, that's the problem we are working on. Of course, you go ahead to name project plan to start, if it the date you record, or I go into select 1 month later, May 1st, select ENC, standard race, finish. Nothing yet. Then you can select a work breakdown structure with yes. Okay, so you can select work breakdown structure. If you have multiple level project, that I anticipate when you do it in deliverable number 2, when you have, for example, the substructure, site work, shells, interior finishes, exterior finishes, roofing, any of that. So you can go ahead to do the multi-level like work breakdown structure that we are already discussed in this class. So that the 2 blue square here, that is work breakdown structure. Okay, so you can go ahead to have that. If you make a new one, you can close and make a new work breakdown structure. If you don't, then you can go to the activities, and then you can still see the project here. Then you can see that this is active, so you can deactivate that project. Okay, so you can close that project and open a new one. Now you want to open a new one. Yes, program we just put here, CPC lab 6 problem 1. You open that project, so it will show you the new project in there. Okay, so new project, and then you can create the work breakdown structure with this one, lab 6. If you go ahead to add whatever substructure, superstructure, etc. But this problem is simple, they don't do it that, so you don't need to do it there. But in the project deliverable number 2, when you have different group of work, different trade, you need to do that. How to do that? You can see the other video that I already do in the lab number 3, which is earlier of this semester. It's available on Canvas. So now I just focus on activities. So then I put in the green bar here, activities. Go ahead to add the activities, and that is activity A. Then go ahead to add activity. You have B and do the same, right? C, D. For the problem we did, E, F, G, H. They don't have I, we have J, K, L, and M. So we have those activity and duration. You can go ahead to put duration for that activity. The problem we did here, So A 1 day, B 4 day, C 2 day, etc. So we have that chain to 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1D, E4, E4, F3, G4, H2, J2, K6, L2, and M1. So those are the duration of each activity. And then you just go ahead to assign the predecessor. And A, no predecessor, B, follow A. Then we can do the same, right click on that activity and assign. You see this similar to the Microsoft project. And then now you assign predecessor. So select predecessor, right click, select assign, and in here select predecessor. And then it follow A. So you move the green bottom to A, the blue bottom to A, you see there. And on the that new tab, you see the green plus assign. So you just go ahead to click that, it will be assigned. If they see something graphic, if you want the detail on top here, you see the magnifier here, you can see that. Okay, select that detail. And if you go to the on the bottom, go to the predecessor, and you can see now it B follow A, finish to start, no lag. Similarly, A, you can move to A on the screen, no predecessor yet. C, right? No predecessor yet, but C follow A, so you can move on this new windows, A, move to A, and then add the plus sign, you see that A. Go to D, D follow B, and E follow B, so we can select D on the main schedule, and then in that new window it follow B, you move your cursor to B and add, and then you can see D follow B. Similarly, move E main to E, and then follow B, you can add that. And then F, G, H follow C. So we can have F, select on this screen, and then follow C, select on this new window, C, you can add. Similarly, move your cursor to G, add C in, move to H, you add C in. And then you have J follow D, J follow D, select J on the main screen, and then the new window, follow D, select D, add. And then K follow J and E, so move to K, follow E, select E, add, and follow J, move to J, add. So you see that K follow E and J, K follow E and J. L follow F, G, H. So select L, follow F, select F, select G, and don't double click, it will make twice, H. And then M follow K and L. K, add, L, add. So when you already assigned, you can close. Nothing yet, right? Nothing there. Then you just go ahead to schedule. See the clock here on top. with the play button, so schedule, or you can select F9 on the keyboard, run, then will show up. Just say schedule, and it will be 16 days. If you want it, just want it short schedule, you can right click, select time scale, and instead of month, week, you can select weekdays. Okay, so it will be bigger for that schedule. So that is the schedule in Primavera. Now, in the next video, I will again show you how to define resources, assign resources to activities, and label resources.